Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. In this video we are going to be opening up a Blizzard Legacy Collection box. This thing is actually pretty sweet. We are looking for the Diablo cards and then any parallels or inserts or anything like that, but we'll see the Diablo cards. We did open a couple of these up before. Looking for these, the Molten Core. You do get one red parallel per pack. This is probably my favorite one so far. The Adria on the red. It's pretty cool. We get 7 packs. Alright, where do we put these? Let's put them off to the side there. Alright, we got Rock and Roll Racing. Try not to get the light glare there. I don't know a lot of these characters. The art is pretty cool on these. They're pretty thick cards too. Oh nice, that's our first red. That's awesome, that'll go with my other one there. That's Adria, this will be Leah. I believe Adria is the mom, so not too sure why this isn't focusing here. So that's a pretty sick red card. Another Diablo card. Might have to actually just give me a second here. I'm gonna move this light. Maybe so we can get a better without it glaring so bad. There we go. The Butcher. Another Diablo card. I like these black and white cards. Then you get World of Warcraft, Diablo. This one's a new one. This is from StarCraft. Yeah, they're pretty nice. We're going to sleeve up this Leah. So far, this is going to be probably my second favorite card I pulled so far. I do believe every box you are getting like a Herodic Cube from Diablo. You get Overwatch cards as well. Heroes of the Storm. This one looks alright too. I do play a lot of Diablo 3. This one's really cool. This will be our red parallel. Azmodan. This will be another Diablo card. You can tell by the logo here too. That one's pretty cool too. Alright, that one's our third pack. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked getting that Leah. And the next ones are red. We'll pull from the back here. And then what do we get for red? Oh, there's still one more card on the back. Oh, nice. This will be my third card of this. For some reason, they all have this huge white ding in this corner. So this is my first one that doesn't actually have a chunk of the black missing. Yeah, this is a really good box. That's awesome. And then our red. It's a new one. This must be from Overwatch, yeah. Yeah, a lot of these cards are pretty nice looking. Oh, that's our red one. Looks like StarCraft. Another Diablo card. This is Ragnaroth. Oh, nice. There's a normal Adria. Yeah, if you've never played Diablo 3, it's definitely a pretty good game. That one's alright too. Sleeve up our little Adria there. Now I'll go with my red one. Alright, 3 packs left. Be nice to at least get some kind of a insert in here. Yeah, I don't know a lot of these names. I never played a lot of these games. I know my daughter played Overwatch. Oh, look at that one. That's from World of Warcraft. Oh, the red ones are next. We'll take from the back here. Oh, it's pretty sick looking. Oh, got another one on the back first. Definitely pulled this guy before. I think our red is sideways. Oh, we're upside down here. That's pretty cool. Lost Vikings. Blizzard made this game back in the day as well. I think it's a Super Nintendo game. It's another classic. Lost Vikings. This one's new. Can't tell if that's the red one next or not. We'll pull from the back. Yeah, the art is definitely crazy on these. Oh, looks like we got another one back here. Oh, that's our red. Oh, we did get Leah Hedrick Cube, whatever, Horadic Cube. I have a few of these. They're red. It's kind of cool. But these are all... You're never going to get a PSA 10 on this stuff here. As you can see, the corner of the chrome's already coming through. You're going to see some edge wear down this side here as well. Right there and up here. I did see some graded on eBay. They were like PSA 7s. And I'm pretty sure I do have this Leah card. That's pretty cool. I will leave that down. We've already pulled that card. I really like this Magda card. Now we need the Lilith card. She's got the black border like that. And the two I already pulled of her have a white mark on the same top corner. So let's see if we can get something out of here. It's our last pack, so it's another classic game. Blackthorn. I like the 16-bit graphics on there from Super Nintendo. That's pretty cool. Looks like Warcraft. Oh, I already showed our red card. That's not bad, actually. Yeah, that really pops her color there. Here it is. Oh, nice. So see, there's no big white chunk at the top there. Kinda, but not as bad. That's weird. All the same cards have that. Yeah, just a tiny little, but not as bad. That's the other one. I'm trying to find a nice one. Yeah, that's really cool in the last pack. Well, we definitely didn't pull anything too crazy. The red Leah. It's really nice. And we did get a nice looking Magda. Alright, thanks everyone for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Have yourself a great day.